Hi everyone, today we will be discussing another important medical instrument which is Valsalem. It is routinely used in Obs-Gynae department and Obs-Gynae OPDs for performing various purposes. So what is Valsalem? So Valsalem is an instrument which has a curved blade, and there are two blades in which there is a gap between the two blades, and it has a ratchet lock and it has a teeth which are traumatic. So it is actually used to hold anterior and posterior lobes of the cervix. So it is used in IUCD insertion, endometrial and cervical biopsies, and also it is used to perform cultosynthesis and posterior colpotomy. Posterior colpotomy is done to drain the pelvic abscess. So this is all about Valsalem. But in your postgraduate examination, the question will not be straightforward like identify and what are the uses of Valsalem. They will ask you that is it a universal instrument? So Valsalem is not a universal instrument to hold at cervix. There are different instruments differently used in different scenarios. So remember this, Valsalem is not a universal instrument to hold cervix. In nulliparous female you will use tenaculum because external os of nulliparous female is pinpoint, while in the pregnant female you will use non-traumatic sponge holding forceps, and in female child you require a small instrument which is a Allis forceps. Now this is the Ramplay sponge holding forceps, and it is used to hold cervix of pregnant female. But why it is used to hold the cervix of pregnant female? Why we cannot use Valsalem? Because Valsalem, you see here that it has a teeth which are traumatic, and you know pregnant female has a cervix which is soft, and if you use a Valsalem it will result in bleeding. So remember this, Valsalem is never used to hold the cervix of a pregnant female. We will use a non-traumatic Ramplay's sponge holding forceps to hold the cervix of a pregnant female. Now see here, this is Allis forceps. Allis forceps, it is used to hold the cervix of a female child because cervix of the female child is small and we require a small instrument to hold the cervix of a female child. This is tenaculum. It is also known as single-toothed Valsalem. So it is also used to hold cervix of a nulliparous female because cervix of nulliparous female, external os of nulliparous female is pinpoint. Remember this. So these are the instruments which are quite confusing, and I have tried to simplify them for you, and also there are image questions which can be asked in your NEET examination from these instruments. So try to remember them and try to correlate all the things which I have told you during this video. And don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and also share this video with your friends, those who are about to appear in the NEET examination or all those who are preparing for the NEET examination. Thank you. Thanks for watching.